In this video, we will watch 10 richest countries in the world in 2019. The United States of America, or commonly known as United States or America, is a country comprising 50 states, a federal district, 5 major self-governing territories, and various possessions. At 3.8 million square miles, the United States is the world's third or fourth largest country by total area. Switzerland, officially the Swiss Confederation, is a sovereign state situated in the confluence of Western, Central, and Southern Europe. It is a federal republic composed of 26 cantons with federal authorities stated in Bern. Kuwait is situated in the northern edge of eastern Arabia, at the tip of the Persian Gulf. It shares border with Iraq and Saudi Arabia. United Arab Emirates, sometimes simply called as Emirates, is a country in Western Asia at the southeast end of the Arabian Peninsula, on the Persian Gulf, bordering Oman to the east and Saudi Arabia to the south, as well as sharing maritime borders with Qatar to the west and Iran to the north. Malaysia is a country in Southeast Asia. It consists of 13 states and 3 federal territories, separated by the South China Sea into two similar sized regions. Norway. The country shares a long eastern border with Sweden. Norway is bordered by Finland and Russia to the northeast and the Skagerrak Strait to the south, with Denmark on the other side. Norway has an extensive coastline facing the North Atlantic Ocean and the Barents Sea. Ireland, also known as the Republic of Ireland, is a country in the northwest Europe, occupying 26 of 32 countries of the island of Ireland. The capital and largest city in Dublin, which is located on the eastern side of the island. India, also known as Republic of India, is a country in Southeast Asia. It is seventh largest country by area. Brunei, officially the nation of Brunei, the abode of peace, is a country located on the north coast of the island of Borneo in Southeast Asia. Apart from its coastline which the South China Sea, the country is completely surrounded by the Malaysia state of Sarawak. Singapore, officially the Republic of Singapore, is an island city state in Southeast Asia. It lies 1 degree 137 kilometers or 85 miles north of the equator at the southern tip of the Malaya Peninsula. Luxembourg, officially the Grand Duchy of Luxembourg, is a small landlocked city in Western Europe. It is bordered by Belgium to the west and north, Germany to the east, and France to the south. Its capital, Luxembourg City, is one of the 3 official capitals of the European Union. Qatar, officially the State of Qatar, is a country located in Western Asia, occupying the small Qatar Peninsula on the northern coast of the Arabian Peninsula. Whether the sovereign state should be regarded as a constitutional monarch or an absolute monarch is disputed. Its sole land bordered is with neighboring Gulf Cooperation Council monarch Saudi Arabia to the south, with the rest of its territory surrounded by the Persian Gulf.